marshmallows, and I just wanted to come here to show him how it's done. So I got my Amazon printed recipe. It has a cake on it.
Yay.
Wait a minute, it's not Amazon, it's Walmart. Walmart is infinitely better than Amazon. Ooh, what is this? We got a present from the heavens above. Oh, it's an apron. Guys, it's not just an apron. It's a secret ingredient. Cheese. Of course we need cheese. I can't believe the recipe doesn't list that. So, first, the recipe says we need for our cake an egg. You can have in just a second, Grape. So, half an egg. It's a hard egg. Now, we add some sprinkles.
Can I try a sprinkle?
Would you like to add some sprinkles, Assistant Genevieve? What? What do you want? This? No. Anyways,
This?
sprinkles.
This?
Now, we
What do
take
you want it for?
medicines, and more medicines, and some gummies. And now, since we need marshmallows,
Can I have one?
there you go. Next, half a teaspoon of milk. And that's a little less than half. No matter. There we go. Now, our secret ingredient. The almighty. Oops.
Got it!
Cheese. Thank you, Assistant Genevieve. And now we bake. Ooh, Assistant Genevieve, look. You need to go over there and get some more ingredients. We'll be right back while the cake bakes.
Okay.
Oof. Hey guys, it's me, Cheeseman. Heard that it's a cool recipe. I'm the guy from the heavens. Gave him the secret ingredient. Pretty good stuff. Oh, he's coming. I gotta run. Yeah. See you guys later. Let's take the sprinkles. Hey guys, we're back. I hope you enjoyed the time. Anyways, our cake is done. Ooh, nice, huh? Pretty beautiful cake. Looks just like the recipe. Must be all those vitamins and minerals. It's no problem.
Can I come?
Here we're gonna eat it.
Cheeseman?